All right, so 2 days ago, guys, I made a mistake. It was this trade. All right, so I want you to understand that even with the best trading strategy in the world, expect to lose. Right, so here I made $344. Also here $344, but this one I lost $400, and I stopped this session. So let me buy first. So with $400 I'm going to buy, and I hope that my prediction is right. So guys, I want you to understand that my strategy is based on main four indicators. All right, Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, MACD, and RSI. My trading strategy is explained in the course. Those who are interested in learning it, you can do it through the course. And also remember, the access to the first chapter from our course is totally for free. You don't need your email address or any personal information. Just go there and start learning immediately. So I guess that's it. My strategy contains a lot of price actions, like 5, maximum 6 indicators that I use. Great. So the first win, beautiful. I guess now I'm going. All right, so this one was lost. But what happened here was that the market couldn't be as clear as I hoped, and I lost that trade. But now I'm winning. So let's go up again, because I believe that the market will create another green candle, and I'm going to make another trade. So guys, the strategy that you have, even if you're having your own trading strategy, you must focus on risk management, because these things will help you identify the trend. So risk management and trading psychology: never risk too much, just 1%, maximum 5% of your balance per trade. Also control your emotions, like fear and greed. Great. I don't know what happened here. Fear and greed are the best enemies, and have a good trading strategy. All right, this is the second win, or the second trade. The first one was not clear, but this one, I guess now we should sell. Yeah, I should sell. It's clearly going down. We are going to see some red candles. Yeah, so I hope that you have the same prediction, guys, the same signals. Those who are following my strategy, and even those who don't follow my strategy, please develop your own trading strategy, because you will need to, in order to be profitable with trading. Find, or at least find, a strategy that works for you. Like, there's plenty of strategies, trend following strategies, like trading the direction of the trend. Great. I don't know, there's I guess glitch or something happening here. The sound is not the same. So let's go down again. Great, let's go down again. And as I was saying, support. Also, there is reversal trading, like when you identify points where price is likely to reverse. And another strategy. Also support and resistance breakout. Trade when the price breaks, like with the key levels, when the price breaks on the key levels. Also, you should practice and improve, and with time you will be profitable. Start with, of course, a demo account, and this way you won't lose. Great. The fourth win. The fourth trade, and the fourth win. Let's go up this time. Let's go up, sorry. And with $400, I'm expecting another win. So practice and try to improve. Like, keep a trading journal to track what works and what doesn't. This way you will be more familiar, and you will understand the markets more. Also stick to consistent strategy and try to refine it like over time. Try to every time improve something. Every time you trade, every time you make a mistake, improve something. And if you did something and it worked, just keep it on your notes. And finally, avoid the get rich quick mindset, because binary options can be profitable, but losses happen. Um, as expected, a sell. Yeah, this time a sell. 100%. This time a sell. I'm going to sell and with $400 unexpected. So as I was saying, avoid getting rich quick schemes or get rich quick mindset. Don't try to be rich immediately and from the first day. No, you will lose. You will lose a lot. So you be prepared. You must have a good risk management plan to avoid the burnout, avoid like quitting earlier. Also, you should stay disciplined, like follow a clear plan, and especially don't gamble. Please don't gamble, right? Just follow good strategy. $344. Beautiful. This is the last one. No. I should open a sell position this time because I still believe that the market will create another red candle. That's what I'm doing here. I guess this would be the last trade. So yeah. As usual, guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is not my way to tell you that you will make the same amount of money. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So be careful. Don't gamble. Don't risk your money if you don't have a good and solid trading strategy. Stick to your plan. Stick to your strategy. Try to follow the rules that you made, and hopefully you will be profitable by the end of the day. Oh yeah, hope that you enjoyed. I guess that we will not see another trade. Yeah,